Hi friends. I'm Jonathan, your host. Welcome to this brand new podcast episode. Do you want to buy a modern, portable dehumidifier for your house? Then, explore the collection of Bright Air. Their ultra-efficient dehumidifiers are designed to reduce moisture and help prevent mold and mildew. These attractive units feature easy-to-read displays and control panels for simple operation. Plus, they also have variable humidity control functions that allow you to create the perfect level of humidity. Moreover, you can also get generous warranty options and free shipping on all orders. To place an order, go to brightair.co.uk or call 01299212747. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned for the next episodes.